Bacteria berbicara. Ini di mana jalan? Banana.
Lama ke kalau koma. Kumakin ni. Banana. Kumakin ni.
Bakao! Banana! Ah!
Hi friends, welcome to Magic Clay. Today we are making 3 versions of Minions, Noob, Pro and Hacker. We will be using air clay, so let's get started. First up, the Noob version. Take some yellow clay and tear off a small piece. This will be our Minion's body. Next, grab some blue clay and cut it as shown. What are we making from this blue clay? That's right, Minion's costume. Attach it to the body and trim the axis with scissors. Don't forget his eye. This time we are making a one-eyed Minion. Use some white clay for it, as I show you. Now use brown clay to make his glasses. Create 2 layers. Add a small black dot for his pupil. His glasses need a strap, so make one from brown clay. Add a tiny pocket to his overalls. Use a toothpick to make small holes for more realistic look. Make a large cut for his mouth. Then add 2 big black feet. Don't forget his 2 yellow arms. Attach them to the right and left side of his body. Now let's do the Minion's hair. Use a toothpick to make small holes first, just like I show. Great. Insert small pieces of black clay into each hole. It takes time, but the result is worth it. Such funny hair he has. Done. Now on to the Pro version Minion. Grab some yellow clay and shape Minion's body. This time make it bigger, since it's the Pro version. About this size. Next, take some blue clay. Mash it a bit, then roll it as I show. Trim the axis with scissors. Shape it into a rectangle and cut off the corners. Attach the front of Minion's overalls to his body. If it turns out too long, cut it off and reattach it. Use water to adjust it. By the way, did you know? If air clay dries out, you can revive it by putting it in water for a while. It will be like new and ready to mold again. Back to our Pro Minion. Make some cuts in his overalls as shown. Now we need straps. Make them from blue clay and attach them to the body. Left one, then right one. Great job. Trim any extra clay with scissors. Make cuts on the front and back of the costume, just like that. Add a blue pocket, mold it and attach it. You can make some cuts on it for a more realistic look. Make 2 small holes at the end of straps with a toothpick and another 2 holes along the edges of the pocket, just like I show. Add small white clay dots. This will be his buttons. Shape 2 white circles for his eyes and small black balls for pupils. Attach the pupils to his whites. Then attach the completed eyes to the Minion's head. Next, mix black and white clay, or you can take gray clay if you have it. Shape it into a line. Cut it in half and attach like this to Minion's eye. Repeat with the other eye. Great. For a more realistic look, follow my movements using a similar tool. Make a large cut for the mouth and attach a piece of black clay to finish it. Don't forget the teeth. You can also make some small holes with a toothpick along his costume, just like I showed. It will make our Minion even better. It's butt time. Shape it like I show. How's it? Now let's make a strap for his glasses using brown clay. Attach it and cut the excess. Add small grey pieces to the strap to finish the glasses. And make some cuts for a more realistic look. They make our Minion better, don't you think? Shape and attach 2 blue legs. Then add 2 black feet. Take a board and press the Minion against it. This is how he'll stand once he's dry. See how the feet are smooth and flat? Mold and attach 2 yellow arms. Attach the right arm first and cut the excess. Then attach the left arm and do the same. Make hands from 2 black pieces of clay and attach them to the arms. Shape the hands using a tool similar to mine, just like that. Here's our Pro version Minion. Let's add some finishing touches. Use a white pen to make highlights on his glasses and costume. Use a brown pen to make highlights on the strap. Now the Pro version is complete. Here is our NOOB version compared to the Pro version Minion. Time for the hacker version. This time you will need some foil. We are making a big Minion, so to save on clay, shape his body from foil first. Then wrap it with yellow clay and finish shaping the body. Make a cut along the body and remove the extra clay at the bottom of the torso. Like this. Next, shape a kind of slingshot from white clay and attach it to the bottom of the yellow part, like I show. This will be his shirt. Use a big piece of black clay to make the Minion's costume. This hacker version will wear a jacket and trousers. First, make his jacket and attach it to the bottom of his foil body. Add more clay if needed to complete the jacket. Shape it, cut it, and attach it around the entire torso. Trim any extra parts and shape it. Make a tie from blue or grey clay and attach it. Shape a long line from black clay and complete his jacket. Next, shape a black circle. This will be part of his trousers. Shape 2 legs from the same black clay and attach those legs to the circle. Make sure they hold. Then attach the trousers to the jacket. Next thing is arms. They are also black. Shape and cut them like I show. And attach to the body, on the right and on the left. His arms should face upwards, because he will be surprised. Make 2 small white balls for the ends of his shirt and attach them to the arms. Shape 2 pieces of black clay for the feet. Attach the left foot, then the right. Great. Make the Minion gloves. Shape a big black ball and 3 small ones for each hand. Attach the fingers to the hand, then attach the hands to the arms. Now for his head. Shape 2 white circles for his eyes and attach them. Mix some blue and white clay or use grey clay for his glasses. Attach as I show, to the right eye and to the left. Add another layer for more realistic look. Shape the clay into a line and make small dots. This will finish the look of Minion's glasses. You'll see. Attach them like this and repeat with the other eye. Shape a strap from brown clay and attach it to the head. Cut off any extra. Make cut along the entire strap as shown. Finish the glasses with 2 small pieces of clay. And attach 2 pupils. Use a pen to make a deep hole and attach a piece of black clay there. Add a black button to the jacket. For finishing touches, add highlights with gel pen around the glasses, costume and strap.
No.
Oh, and don't forget the hair. Shape it like the Pro version. Make small holes and insert black pieces of clay into each. Oh, I decided to make my glasses more realistic with some silver paint. Now the hacker version is complete. And here are all 3 minions together. Give me a like and subscribe to Magic Clay channel. See you soon. Bye.
No.